North Lake wins the Division III National Championship 66-56.
The North Lake College basketball program once again is playing from the position, a champion's work is never done. As the defending 2017 champions, the collective efforts of the basketball program is dedicated to winning on and off the court.
There's stretches we played really
Coach
well.
McGraw's hands-on approach on and off the court with his players has a direct impact on their ability to win championships.
Guys, we got to defend.
Well, we've had a culture that we created, and we've had it in place for 20 years now in terms of every year it's the same thing, work to win today. And from the very first day of school, when we start the tryout process, we're already teaching our culture of winning and what it takes to do that, the amount of effort, discipline it takes to do that. So it's a cycle that you just keep going. And you just, the faces change, the names change, but the process stays the same.
Tremont Moore, one of the 4 returning seniors from last year's national championship team, contributes the results to hard work, his teammates, and the coaching staff at North Lake College.
Last year, it was something incredible. It was something I never experienced before in my life. It was just a great feeling to win with a bunch of guys that was all locked in, and we all just really bought in to win this championship. And when it happened, it was just an amazing feeling. It's something I never felt before.
Thing is the ability to overcome adversity, because adversity is constant, it's consistent, it's always there, and you have the other teams always trying to put more adversity on you, and just the whole process of school and of life is more adversity, and the ability to overcome adversity so that when we walk between the lines of this court, we can block out a lot of the outside things so that we can focus when we're here. And to me, I would say that summarizes it all. Just the ability to keep going, the persistence. That's what it's all about.
Yes, it's true. A champion's work is never done. And it's also true that it takes a whole team to be a true winner.